this is your girl Yves once here again. So today I'm bringing to you the easy DIY rosemary oil. This is the fast version and it's gonna come in handy during the winter or if you live in the temperate zones. If you don't have time to wait for the long infusion method, this method will come in handy. So let's get started. To start off, you're gonna need some rosemary leaves, and I got this from my garden. If you don't have it at home, you can feel free to buy it. You're also gonna need a carrier oil, and here I'm using the olive oil. This is the virgin olive oil. Feel free to use any carrier oil you have. Now I'm gonna get the leaves off the branch. Afterwards, I'm gonna wash my leaves clean. And dry it up with a kitchen towel. Now put a clean pan on low fire and put in your carrier oil. I'm gonna use less oil because I want it concentrated. If you want it diluted, feel free to use more oil. Now put in your rosemary leaves. Mix it gently with a ladle. And don't forget it has to be very low fire. Keep it on the fire for about 15 to 20 minutes. So it's after about 15 to 20 minutes now, and I'm gonna put on the fire and let the oil cool down. Now get a bowl and a clean handkerchief. Transfer the contents onto the white handkerchief and strain it. You have to strain it very hard because there is so much oil in the leaves. Okay guys, so this is it. This is our rosemary oil. It's so easy and fast to make at home, and it has so many good properties both for the skin and the hair. It helps with hair growth and makes your hair stronger. It also gets rid of dark spots and evens out your skin tone. So this is it guys. Thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up and share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.